Assalamu alaikum viewers. My lesson is about Excel lesson 30 and it's about filter by numbers versus filter by colors. So moving to the sheet, the data sheet is the same as the one I have used in my previous session number 12. And first we would move to the first part of my session, that is filter by numbers. So I have already given a detailed session about pivoting, and that is advanced filter, but sometimes you need a very elementary or basic filter. So for that very purpose, we have filters here in data. Press this data at the top menu bar. You can see data and press it, and then go to the icon bar and then go on filter. Press it, and now you can see that these filters have appeared in on every column, A, B, C, D up to G. So you can basically choose by which column you want to filter your data, which column is important for you. Say from filter I mean you want to filter by meat, you want to see the entries of meat in your data. So just press this. First go to this down arrow button, yes, press it, and then slowly move to select all. First these are all selected, unselect it, and then select your relevant meat and press OK. So you have all the meat entries in front of you at different years: 2021, 2022, 23, 24, and these are the quantities, cost per unit, and expenditure. Then go back, select all, OK, and press OK. Now you want to check the expenditures. Now you want to check the cost per unit. So you want to see that which, go to number filter, and you want to see that which what values are basically greater than or equal to the number uh, you can say the number 2000, the number 590, which values are basically, yeah, which items are basically equal or beyond the cost of 590 per kg. So you can write 590 here is equal then or greater, write 590 here. Okay, press OK. So here you have the values 590, 1000, 2400, 649, 6714, 590, and if you scroll down you can see that all values are equal or beyond the number 590. So and press and you can see that these are all unchecked here because you have basically opt for this option, number filter. So you have both the options. You can select it from here, but from down these boxes you can only go for the selective numbers. But if you want to apply a condition on your data, then this is the most appropriate way. So I will uncheck it, and uh, I will apply custom filter. So I will delete it and press OK. So that option has been removed. OK, uncheck and recheck. So uncheck and recheck. When you go to custom filters, press uncheck and recheck, and then you have again this filter in front of you, and the previous condition has been erased or eliminated. So now I have given you a brief session. Similarly, you can go on the expenditure. If you want to check expenditure equal or beyond 690, I will go there and I will equal, greater than. So there are so many options: less than, between. If you want to select between here I would like to, here I would go to the between the value of 9,000, say 70,000 and 60,000. You want to check the values between go to the lower values, 22,000 and 70,000. You want to check the values between these two numbers. So go between, and say 22,000 right here is equal greater than is greater than or equal to 22,000 and less than or equal to, if you are if you want to know 70, so 70,000, press OK. See, now your value is 35,000, 60, 70, but no value is going below the value of 22,000. You won't see any 21,500 here, and no value is going beyond 70,000. So you won't see any value like 70,000.000001. So Excel is very good about it. MS Excel won't normally do any errors. So it's again, if you want to erase this, go into the onto filter, uncheck it, and then again press filter. So now I would come to the next phase about the color filters. So color, you have colors here, the blue, the green, and the light blue, and the yellow. So now you want to filter it through colors. You filter your rows through colors. Which number lies into which color? So you want to then you go to the filter by colors. Okay, filter by colors. You have this option. The filters are coming here. One is filter by cell color. So these are the cell colors. The other filter is by the font color. I will again go there, filter by color, and there is font. Since there are four color, one, two, three, four colors are used here. So you can see four colors appearing here. You can select any one of that. And about font, you have only one font, the white font and the black font. So the option of white font is appearing here, not the black font. So the black is the common color here. So if I want to select yellow, the color cell, see, it has selected the yellow color cells. And if you want to select the blue, dark blue, the dark blue is coming here. One thing, and if I want, the white is already default color. So what I would do is I would basically automatic, yes, I would basically go to some cells and I would change their font colors, go to home and change their font color to red, this value, and change this value color, the other value color, say prominent color, the yellow. Okay, so I've changed two font colors of two values. So again, I would go on to filter, and now you would see in font color two more colors, the three colors, see, white, red, and yellow. But one little bit of restriction here is that you can only select one color. You have so many one color from here. Either you can filter it by cell color or by font color, and even then into that you have only one option. You cannot select multiple options like yellow or blue, yellow or blue or red and yellow, or red and yellow from font color and yellow or blue from here. You don't have this luxury to do that. Like if I select red, see, the one cell is the one row is appearing here, which I have made the font color of which I have made red. So if I go on yellow, see, the one entry is appearing here. But I think the MS Excel team, if they are listening to me, they would basically resolve this issue, sort of, I would say issue, because this is the checkbox appearing here. These are the checkboxes. These are not the radio buttons. The radio buttons normally are the reflection of single option selection. When you apply the checkbox, it means that you can opt for multiple options at the same time. But here you can't. You can only go for a single option. I think that since it's not much in use, the color options, that is why this opportunity has not been explored. But now I am requesting the MS Office team that kindly do look at it, because here you have multiple options. You also have these numbers. Like if I uh, go on data and filter, yes. If I go filter, apply it again to erase it, I've erased the previous options. You see, if I have the option to check 3 or 4 or 5 options numbers to basically to filter the data according to these numbers, I press OK. So these numbers are basically appearing in front of you, but the same luxury I don't have in the color option, filter by colors. So I think I have covered my topic well, and if you find it interesting, then please like it, subscribe it, share it with your colleagues, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you.